Alright, Michael over here taking loose that there catalytic converter, because that is for the old, big old motor right here. Not big old, that's the tiny motor. He's taking that off so that we can take
fitting to match up to what I got.
Yeah, that's a weird. That's the bolted straight to the motor. That's single exhaust tube. So, but check out this. Very good. So, as you can see, Michael has gone and
I got a little fun with it.
Yeah, a little bit of fun with his valve cover. And it looks good. I gotta say, what do y'all think? Go ahead and comment, tell me what you think. And see if you know how he did this. And I'll tell you if you're right or not. So Michael's gonna take loose that, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna mount all these lovely hasport mounts in their spots and on the engine and all that good stuff. And then we got the transmission and we got the clutch and flywheel and all that good stuff to go on. And that motor, by the end of this video, is going to be in this car. Now it won't have axles yet because we're still waiting on those, but it's okay. We're still waiting on another rain before all the salt's gone. We want to make sure it's completely gone. There's actually forecast for more snow, so these cars are not getting out anytime soon. Which Earl's getting pretty close, but that's not an Earl video. This is a Sharky video. So okay, so taking out and swapping out motor mounts, and so that one right there was what was originally there, and it is
some kind of composite or something.
Yeah, definitely plastic.
Let's see.
You can see like right there, it's got like the markings for the casting and everything like that.
See where it hit something.
Yeah.
Knocked a chunk of plastic.
That though, right there, as you can see, is a billet. So that's gonna stiffen her right on up. So.
Yeah, and it's U88 urethane versus this.
Yeah, that's
whatever.
Rubber. That's just rubber. That's not urethane. That's just rubber. So
yeah,
cool.
It's gonna be a lot stiffer.
So much more. Okay, what you doing there, Michael?
If we don't need it, we delete it.
Yeah.
No, this is I guess because it was an automatic transmission, we had a little ear right here that was in the way of the mount, so we're just modifying it. It's a little ear that looked like that. That used to be right there.
Now it's gone.
Now it's gone.
One other thing we want to make sure we note, for the front right here, if you are doing this and you pulled this motor out of, say, a cord or whatever like this mount, you're going to need to get the one for the Honda CRV.
We'll show you that in just a second.
Yeah, we're going to show it to you, but just to let you know, you're going to need to have that in order for this to work.
Alright, so we've got these two mounts that used to go right here. This is the one that came off the motor from the old Accord, and it's got a step in it. So you have to get the one from the Accord, or from the CRV, because it's got a flat and it matches up to wherever my, thank you, helping hands. So this is going to mount here, that's going to mount there, and that's going to mount to the car. So nice little piece of billet.
Yeah. All right, Michael, we need to get a lot done and we don't have much time.
We need a montage.
Let's do it.
Sharky's got a K-Series in her. Now for the fun part of it. We got to do the wiring and...
Man, that valve cover really pops.
Yeah, it does.
I like
looks
that.
Good in here.
Yeah.
This whole engine looks great in here.
Check that out. Hasport USA. And then there's one down up in there. And then we got that one right there.
Everything's mounted and bolted in.
Did we ever tighten down those two 19 millimeters on the top side? So we'll take care of that. And yeah, she's
in there.
She is in there. Man, and the hood will shut. Like, the hood is gonna shut just fine.
No problems.
And I mean, yeah, that's good. Down here looks good too. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, he's just tightening that down. Man, that looks so good. Michael's so dang happy.
I'm so happy.
Maybe he'll shut up now. No, I'm just kidding.
Not likely. Not likely.
But this has been fun.
Can't wait.
We had some issues because it was this motor was originally in an automatic, and so we didn't have the bolts that held the pressure plate on. And so luckily it was still early and we ran to AutoZone.
Yeah, we were able to get that. And Hasport gave us enough mounting brackets, and we had enough stuff left from the junkyard and just left over in general that we were able to cobble it together and get it in.
Yeah, and it looks good.
Is by far not professional, but there's a damn K24 in my car.
Yeah, yeah. First done in a home garage. So
as far as I'm aware,
as far as we're aware, this is the first in a home garage. Now it's not completely done yet. We still got to do wiring, but the harness is.
Yeah, the hard part's done on that. We've got Pat built the harness.
Yeah, I built because I've done a little bit of wiring on Earl, so I kind of got an idea of what I was doing, and so he needed a charge harness. That's like $280.
Yeah.
So I followed Abdul's write up, and yeah, I was able to create the jumper harness. Hopefully it works. We don't know yet, so we still gotta
find out. And I still gotta get a shifter and shift cables, and I still gotta get some axles. But the motor's in.
Yeah, yeah, she's. So she's stout.
Stout.
So stout. And we were worried at first. It looked like it was going to hit that steering, but it's got like 2-3 inches of clearing now on that. Now that it's settled in place.
Anybody doing this, the only thing you've got to really worry about is you've got to know what transmission you're using, because they have to know what mount you need there.
Yeah.
Because apparently the 6-speed and the 5-speed are different mounting brackets.
Right.
So.
Yeah. Now this bracket will be the same, but yeah, that's the one that you gotta know what you're doing. So.
Or at least what you have.
Yeah.
But other than that, that's a wrap for tonight.
Yeah, guys. So
appreciate it.
Yeah, hit that like, subscribe button. You know, it helps us out a lot. It gets our videos out there so much more.
So fucking happy.
And yeah, we're just doing this for fun. So hey, I hope y'all just ride along and have a blast with us. So later on.
Peace.